In this tutorial, we will learn how to work with Amazon RDS using MySQL Workbench, including how to connect to your database and perform basic queries. You will also gain an understanding of how to navigate the interface and use its features to efficiently handle and analyze your data. To get started, first create an AWS account and log in as the root user. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Amazon RDS service and create a new database instance for your ads data. During setup, choose the appropriate database engine, configure instance settings, and ensure your credentials are securely stored. After the instance is created, you'll be ready to connect to it using MySQL Workbench and begin working with your database. Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service, is a managed database service from Amazon Web Services that lets you easily set up and manage databases in the cloud. It supports multiple database engines, offers automated backups, and ensures high availability, making it a secure and reliable option for storing data like Amazon ads. Step 1 is to create a security group in Amazon EC2. Scroll down to the Security Group section and click on Create Security Group to set up network access for your database instance. Once you open the Security Group settings, enter a name for your security group called RDS VPC. For the inbound rule, set the source type to anywhere to allow access from any location. For the outbound rule, also set the source to anywhere to allow your database to send traffic freely. Press Create Security Group to save your settings. You have successfully created the security group needed to configure Amazon RDS, enabling secure access to your database instance. Step 2. Set up your Amazon RDS database instance. Navigate to the search bar, type Amazon RDS, and click on it to open the Amazon RDS console. Click on Databases in the sidebar, then select Create Database to start setting up your first database instance. For the engine option, select MySQL as your database engine. Then, choose Full Configuration and select the free tier option to set up your database with all customizable settings while staying within the free usage limits. Choose Engines type MySQL 8.4.7 and provide a name for the database. Create a master username and enter secure password that you would need to log into the database. Create a master username and enter secure password that you would need to log into the database. Next, choose the DB instance type as DBT3 micro and set the storage to 20 GB2. Next, select your connectivity options, including the VPC and the DB subnet group, to define how your database will connect to your network. Choose RDS VPC as the existing security group to associate your database with the security settings you created earlier. Leave the rest of the settings at their default values to proceed with the standard configuration. Click on Create Database to launch your RDS instance and display it in the database list. The database will now appear, showing a summary of the newly created instance, including its endpoint, status, engine, and other key details. Navigate to the Connectivity and Security tab to view and manage your database's network settings, endpoints, and security groups. Under the Connectivity and Security tab, locate and copy the endpoint of your database, which you will use to connect from MySQL Workbench or other tools. Step 3. Connect your MySQL Workbench to your Amazon RDS database. Press the plus button in MySQL Workbench to connect to Amazon RDS. Enter a connection name, choose standard TCP/IP as the connection method, and then enter the host name, endpoint, and master username for your database. Enter the password you have set during the creation of the Amazon RDS instance. Then, click OK to store the password for the connection and finish setting up the new connection. After that, click on the connection square you created to open and access your database in MySQL Workbench. In MySQL Workbench, enter the SQL command to create your database and then select it using useSchoolDB. After writing these commands, run them to create and switch to the school database for your work. Next, create the tables for your database. You can create a courses table using SQL commands like create table courses and run them in MySQL Workbench. Then, use the Insert into Courses, Values command to add data to the courses table, and run a Select from Courses query to view the inserted records. You have successfully completed the Amazon RDS and MySQL Workbench tutorial, and your database is now set up, connected, and ready for managing and querying data.